Me pass, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so we're here, and I've done a couple of videos about this project, how to register, verify, and get your Me ID and claim 1 MEC, which you can stake and receive rewards on it, right? I've also made a video on how to trade your Me Pass. I think currently one MEC token is more than $5, right? So that's WhatsApp. It's a great project. People are already selling it right now as I speak with you. They have their marketplace. I've done a full tutorial on how to sell your MEC and get paid in USDT. It's actually a P2P platform, right? So that's by the way. They have an event that they've just announced. They have announced their Halloween event, so you can actually take part, and there's USDT up for grabs, right? So let's see how we can be eligible for this event. There's the official Twitter page _MetaF_. So they shared this year since 21st of August. Trick or treat with me. Web3 isn't spooky when you're with MetaF. So there's 500 USDT in spooky rewards up for grabs, and the task is actually very simple. Follow these steps to claim your Halloween treat. Follow MetaF and join our Telegram. Of course, the Telegram link is here. This is the Twitter page. I'm already following, as you can see. So the next is alright. So this here too shows I'm in, right? I've already subscribed to the channel, and of course, if you're here, you will be very updated on the progress of the project. Every event is being shared here, and so on. So after following on Twitter and Telegram, you have to create your Me ID. Of course, this is for you to register if you are a new person. But if you are an old user, you don't have any problem. You must have created your Me ID. Of course, I've done a full tutorial on how to do all of that. So I'll leave the link to that video in the description box of this video, so you can jump on it and do the needful. So after completing the above task, you have to comment Me Halloween Candy, right, and tag 3 friends and drop your MEC wallet address. And there's a bonus task: invite 3+ friends to create their Me ID for extra bigger rewards, no cap. And this event will be ending on the 3rd of November 2025. Today is 28th. That means you have like 5 more days before it comes to an end, right? So inviting at least, let's say, equal or less than 3 friends during this event period is not compulsory, but it's a bonus, right? So let's start with the compulsory task, which of course includes commenting this. So first of all, copy the hashtag, right? Now next is tag 3 friends and drop your MEC. So under the comments, so you need to get your MEC ID. It's part of it, right? So you come back here from your home page, you click on receive. Now here is your MEC ID, and you simply click on the copy symbol next to it, and it's been copied to the clipboard. You bring it over and you paste it here under the tags, right? Then you click on reply. Alright, so this is what your task should look like after completing it, right? The hashtag first, the tags, and your Me Pass ID. So if you need a more detailed explanation or guide on this, I think they've shared a more detailed article on Medium, so let's look that up. So it's the same thing, right? It's the same event, trick or treat with Me ID, just more detailed here. So you want to go through it in between lines. Mark your calendars, period October 21st to November 3rd. Sorry, I'm sharing this late, but you still have some days to run with it, right? What's in your Halloween goodie bag? So the steps stated here again: follow MetaF on Twitter, Telegram, create Me ID, which I've done a video on how to, comment on the pinned tweet. So this is it, right? This is just the format: the hashtag Halloween candy, tag 3 friends, then your MEC wallet, just the way I illustrated. So the bonus rewards 3 or more friends to create their Me IDs for extra bigger prizes. No maximum limit. It means you can invite up to 10,000 persons if you can. Rewards breakdown: the more actions you complete, the more rewards you get, right? So task category here, the first activity: follow, join group, register, and comment. That's for new users, right? So between October 21st and November 3rd, that's people who join within this period and have completed this task. There is 150 USDT up for grabs, and it's going to 150 lucky winners. So that means a pool will be drawn, right? So for new users, that's yours. 1 USDT is yours. So the next category here is the ones who follow, join group, register, comment, invite at least 3 persons to register their Me ID during this period. All users, not only those registered between 21st of October and November 3rd, right? So the reward pool here is 350 USDT going to 175 lucky winners. So I think this time someone can get up to 2 USDT from here. So it's not much, but as you already know, you already have the account, you already have a Twitter this, and so you are not doing a very tedious thing to join this event, right? So you go look it up. So proof and verification. To ensure fairness, Meta Earth's official team will verify all winners via DM on X after the event. Winners must provide Telegram username BP20 wallet address to claim reward. Verified users will receive their USDT rewards within 7 days after the event ends. Terms and conditions. The event runs from October 21st to November 3rd. Only participants who complete all required steps will be eligible for rewards. Duplicate or fraudulent account will result in disqualification. Meta Earth reserves the right to interpret, modify, or terminate the event at its discretion. Please follow official Meta Earth channels for verified event updates, right? About Meta Earth, you can go through here to understand better what the project is about. So that's that about the Trick or Treat with Me event. So if you would want to be part of it, just go right on ahead. If you haven't registered on Meta Earth already, I'll leave you my invite link as well as a full tutorial I made on how to register, claim your 1 meg, claim your ME ID, and every other thing you need to get you well on your way to go. So thanks so much. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable the notification bell icon to be the first to see my next video. Bye bye.